Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Alpha Network and this video is on how to verify your account if you have been mining. And if you have not been mining, scroll down to my channel. There is a video I made about this Alpha Network. Do you understand? So click on it and then see on how to register and start mining. Do you understand? So to register your account, to verify your account, you click on profile if you have been mining. Then if you have not been mining, click on the link on this video description now and get started. So when you click on profile now, this interface will show up. So once you get to this interface now, all you have to do is to click on start KYC. Do you see that? So when you click on it now, it will say the eKYC verification process is used to authenticate the identity of users. It prevents fraud and illegal activities by ensuring that users are genuine. Do you understand? So while KYC is typically a legal requirement for complying with regulation, our platform also uses it to safeguard users, establish trust, and reduce risks. So there are four main steps to KYC process. Data registration, activity analysis, network validation, and identity confirmation. So make sure that your data is accurate. Do you understand? So we're actually going to click on start KYC. Do you understand? So make sure that you see this video to the end, guys. You understand? So my first name is my nickname and then my last name, they are that kind of a thing. So I'm going to change it, and I'm like, make sure that your everything that is on your ID is the same with this information that you're about to put here. Do you understand? So please give this video a thumbs up, share this video so that others can also benefit from it. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Here in this channel we'll talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency. Do you understand? So I'm going to edit my details now and click on, once you are done inputting your details, you click on continue. So I'm going to pause this video now, input my details. So guys, I'm done inputting my details. So all I have to do now is to click on continue. Do you see that? So we'll click on continue and then let's see what it shows. So make sure that your details, your first name is your name, then your last name is your, as in your surname is your surname, your last name means your surname. Do you understand? But your first name is your main name. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on continue now. So when you click on continue, it will ask you for your phone number, country of residence, nationality, that kind of thing. So I'm going to fill in everything now. So stay tuned, make sure that you see this video to the end, guys. So guys, I'm done inputting my details. I'll put my phone number, country of residence, I'm from Nigeria, nationality Nigeria. I've lived for Nigeria for 12 years, as in I've been here. Do you understand? So once you are done with that, you click on next step. Do you understand? So nationality is your country, state of country of residence is your country also. Do you understand? But if you are not living in your country, you can input the country that you are currently in now. Do you understand? If you are not in your country, you understand? So I'm going to click on next step. Do you understand? So stay tuned. So when you click on next, it's actually going to bring out this interface, say activity analysis. This step is performed automatically. Do not close the app. So it says finalizing analysis. So once you get to this interface, you stay tuned. Do you understand? You say all available steps have been passed. You will be notified when the next step will be available. Do you see that? So we're actually going to click on confirm. You understand? So guys, that is just it. So once you are done updating your details and all that, I don't think uploading of ID is actually necessary. You understand? Because I've waited for an hour plus, but it's actually saying completed. You can see KYC status completed. Do you see that? So that's just it. So if you are not mining, click on the link on this video, or maybe see the other video I did about Alpha Network. You understand? So that will be all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you soon.